So there we were, just another lazy Saturday in the backyard, beers in hand, when Uncle Tim, with the confidence of a man who'd just discovered fire, declared his hot dog was actually a gourmet sausage. Now, Uncle Tim is known for his culinary exaggerations, like the time he claimed his ketchup was artisanal tomato reduction, but this time, he was insistent. My cousin Dave, never one to back down from a challenge, proclaimed his bratwurst was the real contender for tube steak supremacy. Before we knew it, the backyard barbecue had morphed into the tube steak showdown, complete with taste testing cards and a judging panel featuring Grandma, who couldn't taste much but loved the attention. Things escalated as the neighbors heard the commotion and brought over their own sausages, turning our backyard into a sausage fest of epic proportions. In the end, Uncle Tim's hot dog didn't win, but he did take home